Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss types of plants. The entrepreneurs is making plants and what are their classification and types he is doing for making plants in terms of strategy, policies, objective, goal, etc. Plants only make the strategy or policies make the company success or failure. That is very important areas where the top management people have to play a big role. That is the diagram. You can see this is having hierarchy of the plants shown from 1 to 8, from top of management to low level plants. Okay, it will be based on their positions on the levels they are making the plans. As we told, top level people are making generally the strategy, policies and objective. So if we talk about objective, purpose and mission, first two things that will be we have to discuss these in terms of the hierarchy, strategies, policies, procedures, method, rules, program, major or minor or support, budget. These are the plans where generally people makes long-term plans and short-term plans. Okay. If we discuss objective and purpose and mission, generally, okay, the people who are objective, there are three types of objective we are having generally in terms of vision, purpose and mission. Mostly vision is given by the entrepreneurs who is starting the company. That is a dream that entrepreneur creates his waking hours to his preferred future. What he is supposed to do in terms of product, in terms of service or project to help the society, to civilize the society, for the mankind and for the environment, etc. altogether. Whereas purpose of an organization is its primary role defining by the society in which they operate. That purpose, without purpose, people say a person who is not having the proper purpose of his life, it is waste, it is in vain. Whereas mission, it is also okay where he is doing, generally people are making the missions in terms of okay goal, in terms of objective for the, it is given to the people who are holding the positions that they are giving the mission that it has to be completed to achieve the target, to achieve their objective in defined time. Okay. For example, purpose of every university is impart education in terms of vision to service the mankind, whereas purpose of every hospital is to provide health care in terms of vision to help the people. This is applied for all the similar organizations, okay, vision and purpose. And whereas it is organized especially in some areas, service, product or client, which decide the organizational scope of business. So that is the things we have discussed today. Now strategy, third plans are strategies which are making mostly strategies are followed by objective, okay, whereas then it is policies, major maybe a policies and minor policies, and procedures, method, rules, 6, rules and regulations, programs, major or minor, support, programs, functions, and last it is budget. So this is the hierarchy is given in the diagram where plans are arranged in the hierarchy within the organization. Objectives mainly are the top management wishes, already I told in terms of purpose and mission. Vision also wishes of the organization to achieve. They are the endpoints or pole star towards which all business activities like organizing, staffing, directing, or indirectly are directed only after having defined these points. These endpoints can be determined by the manager in terms of kind of organizations, kind of personnel, kind of motivation, kind of supervision and direction. That is the things it is required. These are plans which are defined hierarchy where the things are can be defined in another diagram. This is, you can see this, all entire hierarchy can be restructured in this diagram. Top 1 to 2 it is goals and objective, 2 it defines strategy, and all 3 this is policy, procedure, rules altogether, and programs and budget altogether. These are on the same level, that is defining either standing plans or single use plans. Okay. Mostly standing plans, here it is some non-repetitive or repetitive activities will be there. The plans which is been once formulated, they are used for a long period. Okay, these are standing plans. Whereas single use plans, once are achieved, they are to be formulated again, like budget of the company every year. They are single use plans. And where the low level people, top level goals and strategy, middle level they are having policy, procedure, rules, standing plans, and single use plans. Generally the middle level management, they are having the plans for day to day supervisor, line manager people, middle level people, or they are making weekly or monthly budgeting or whatever plans to achieve the goal. Action plans, this is low level routines plans which are executed by the foreman or supervisor to take work from the non-skilled people, workers. So this is, we have restructured entire hierarchy of the plans into this particular diagram. Steps of planning. We talk of, so far we have seen hierarchy of the plans. Now we discuss what are the steps we have to follow while we are doing planning, function of management. Steps of planning to achieve the overall objective of the organizations. It should be, first we have to be aware of the opportunity. People say that we should be aware if you are having idea and idea generation, market, what is market, what is competition, what type of competition, what are the customers, and weaknesses, etc., strength of the ideas of business. Second step is set the goals, objective. We have understood what is the opportunities, awareness, etc. Second, we are going for goals, objective, where we want to be, what we want to accomplish, and when. These three WWW, this is defining the objective in terms of goals. Then third steps of the planning, it comes considering planning premises. Okay, that is premises environment. Okay, premises in terms of like in what environment whether it's internal or external, tangible or non-tangible plans. This to be discussed whether these plans to be made by in terms of premises. Next, fourth steps is we are having deciding plans period. If any plans we are making strategy and policies and goals and our objective, we have defining their schedule and time. And that is very much important to have the profit and to run the company in success. More time you are taking it, more loss of time and revenue. Next steps we are having alternate course of actions. Generally I have seen if one team is not performing, we have to prepare another team. If one team is not doing the job, that is alternative of way of handling. Mostly in industries, IT industries, people are developing the project. They never depend on one team. Middle level, management. If somebody, the head of the things is leave, they are preparing one person next to him so that he can be promoted and execute the things. Mostly while we are signing the contract to deliver the things, MOU, that is penalty clause is very huge amount to be paid, sometimes is more than the profit. So we have to be very careful and we have to deliver in time. For that we need alternate course of action in terms of completing the project or whatever it is. Next, we are having evaluating and selecting of a course action. We have to evaluate. It may be a evaluating time or period, may be a monthly basis or weekly basis, fortnight basis. Mostly the people who are joining the new company, they are giving training, all type of training within a time of 2 months. They are making people very, very expert and they are evaluating weekly basis. If they are not achieving the rate or grade of the parameters, then they will be, maybe they may not be selecting and giving the company offer letter to confirmation letter of the service. So this is the important evaluations and terms of benchmarking, etc. we can do it. Developing and derivative plan. We have to develop, while we are developing, and derivative, how we are derivative and we are having to do after completion of the project, what way will be going on, this to be defined here. Measuring and controlling the plan, it is very much important once we are doing the project, where we are stand, whether it will be completed in time or not, that is required. If it is not, we are deviating from our original plans, formulated plans, then definitely we have to take some remedy to control and to complete the project or service in time or to deliver the thing to the customer and user. That's the things we have to take care. That's the end of today my video. Thank you very much.